Hi, today we are going to talk about linear equations. So in linear equations, we have to find the value of the unknown term given. To do that, we have to make x the subject. Let's go to the first example. That is 2x minus 6 equals 14. So how do you make x the subject? You can see you cannot make x the subject first of all because x with 2. So we can make 2x subject. How? 2x minus 6. We can remove this minus 6. How do you remove minus 6? We can add 6 to both the sides. So I write 2x minus 6 add 6 equals 14 add 6. Then minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. 2x only remains on the left hand side. So 2x equals 14 plus 6, that is 20. Okay, now 2x means 2 times x equals 20. So we don't need 2x, we need x only. So how do you remove this 2? We have to divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. There x remains. X equals 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So x equals 10. You can check your answer correct or not. How? You can go to the equation and check where you have x term, that is on left hand side. So you write left hand side, that is 2x minus 6, and you substitute x value, that is x equals 10. So 2 times 10 minus 6. 2 times 10, 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6, that is 14. So left hand side answer is 14. Right hand side answer also 14. So 14 equals 14. Left hand side equals right hand side. Then our answer is correct. Okay, if x term is negative in the given equation, we add x term with positive coefficient to both the sides. Okay, example 2, that is 6 minus 2x equals minus 2. So you can see here x term is negative. So we have to add the positive of this term, that is, what is the positive coefficient of this term? That is 2x. So you are going to add 2x to both the sides. So I write 6 minus 2x add 2x equals minus 2 add 2x. Then you can see minus 2x plus 2x gone. So left hand side 6 remains. 6 equals minus 2 plus 2x. Then we can make 2x the subject by removing this minus 2. How do you remove minus 2? You have to add 2 to both the sides. Add 2, add 2. So minus 2 add 2 gone. 2x remains on right hand side. 6 plus 2, that is 8. Then I have here 8 equals 2x. So we don't need 2x, we need x only. We have to remove this 2. How? Divide by 2, both the sides. And 2 get cancelled. Right hand side x 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So x equals 4 is the answer. If there are x terms on both sides, we collect them on one side and simplify. So you can see here, left hand side also we have x term, then right hand side also we have x term. We have to collect them on one side. So I'm thinking of removing this minus 4x. So how do you remove this minus 4x? We have to add plus 4x to both the sides. So I write 2x minus 5 plus 4x equals 25 minus 4x plus 4x. Then you can see right hand side minus 4x plus 4x gone. So left hand side we have 2x and 4x like terms. We can simplify them. 2x plus 4x, that is 6x minus 5 equals 25. Then we have to remove this minus 5. That is, you have to add plus 5 to both the sides. So 6x minus 5 plus 5, 25 plus 5. Then minus 5 plus 5 gone. 6x only remains on left hand side. Right hand side 25 plus 5, that is 30. Then we don't need 6x, we need only x. So we have to remove this 6. How do you remove this 6? You have to divide by 6 both the sides. And 6 get cancelled. X remains, x equals 30 divided by 6, that is 5. If there is a fraction in the x term, multiply out all the terms by the denominator. Example 4, x over 2 plus 7 equals 12. So we have a fraction and we have denominator 2. So I'm going to multiply each and every term by this denominator. So I write x over 2 multiplied by 2 plus 7 multiplied by 2, 12 multiplied by 2. Then here denominator 2, numerator 2, then they get cancelled. So only x remains. X plus 7 times 2, that is 14, equals 12 times 2, that is 24. Then we have to remove this 14. How? We have to subtract 14 from both the sides. So I write x plus 14 minus 14, 24 minus 14. Then plus 14 minus 14 get cancelled. X remains. 24 minus 14, that is 10. There's another method to do this. That is, first of all, if you want, you can remove this plus 7. How do you remove this plus 7? You have to subtract 7 from both the sides. That is x over 2 plus 7 minus 7 and 12 minus 7. Then plus 7 minus 7 gone. X over 2 equals 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5. Then x over 2. Denominator 2, multiply each and every term by 2. Then 2 and 2 get cancelled. X equals 5 times 2, that is 10. If there are brackets, expand them first. Example 5, x minus 2 times x minus 1 equals 1 minus 4 times x plus 1. So we have to expand these two brackets. So I write x first, x, then we have to expand this bracket. So we have to multiply this bracket by minus 2. minus 2 times x minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 1 plus 2 equals 1. So this bracket multiplied by minus 4. Minus 4 times x minus 4x, minus 4 times 1 minus 4. Then I can see some like terms there. I'm going to simplify first. X minus 2x means minus x plus 2 equals 1 minus 4 means minus 3 minus 4x. I can see x terms on both the sides. So I'm going to remove this minus 4x. How? Add plus 4x to both the sides. Minus x plus 2 add 4x equals minus 3 minus 4x plus 4x. Then minus 4x plus 4x get cancelled. Then I can see here like terms, that is minus x plus 4x, that is plus 3x plus 2 equals minus 3. Then I have to remove this plus 2. How? Subtract 2 from both the sides, that is 3x plus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. Then plus 2 minus 2 gone, 3x only remains. Minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. Then we don't need 3x, we only need x. We have to divide by 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. X equals minus 5 over 3. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.